Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your email ID on Instagram. To find your Instagram email address, launch the Instagram app on your Android or iOS device. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and select settings from the list. On the settings page, select account center. From there, tap on personal details at the top of the page. You should now see your Instagram account information, including your email address, phone number, gender, and a date of birth. To locate your Instagram email address, then you just look at the email address listed at the top of the page. Now, this is the email address that you use to sign up your Instagram, and it's the same one that's associated with your account. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.